In this video we're going to look at the topic of factorisation and using the grid method. Now there will be 3 videos to accompany this factorisation. This is the first one, the basics, and how to use the grid method and how to factorise. But what is factorising? Well, factorising is taking an expression that's addition or subtraction and changing it into multiplication or products. Product in mathematics means multiplication. So we're taking an expression, add and subtract, and changing it into multiplication. Now, why did we want to do that? Well, later on in mathematics you'll have to factorise, and factorising tells us where things can cross the x-axis when we can solve these things. So engineers use this a lot to see where a graph or an equation or a function crosses the x-axis. And when it crosses the x-axis, it's very important. In real life it means something. So engineers will use this technique quite a bit. So there's a real life application to these things. But let's get on to actually doing the process. Well, here's an expression, 2x plus 4. And we want to change that into products or a multiplication sum. So this is 2x plus 4, so that's addition. So the first thing we do is set up the grid. So we have 2x plus 4. And we look for common factors, the highest common factor. So we're looking for factors that we can take out. So there's an x, there's not an x in that one, so we can't take x out. There's a 2 here and a 4. Well, we could take 2 out because 2 is a factor of 2 and a factor of 4, so we can take 2 out, and that's the highest common factor. Last wee step is we say 2 times something gives me 2x. Well, from previous works you should know that's x, so that's 2 times x gives me 2x. And 2 times something gives me 4. Well, we should know that's 4. We should know that's 2. So, we're nearly finished. So we've changed that into a multiplication by 2 multiplied by this bracket, which is x plus 2. Now it's very important you must have the brackets in. So I would encourage you to put the brackets in at the top so you don't forget to put them in your final answer. And that's it. That's not a multiplication sum, that's 2 multiplied by this bracket. Whereas it's an addition here. Now if you're not sure if that's right, you can multiply this all out and you should get back to where you started. That's a check. So you can't really go wrong with this. There's an easy way of checking. You don't have to ask your teacher really, because you should be able to multiply that back out yourself. Take that back to where you're beginning. Right, here's another one. This one's a wee bit trickier. 3y squared minus 6y. How can we change that into a multiplication or a product? Here's my grid. Write out your expression. Find the highest common factor. Well, this time it's a wee bit trickier. If we look at numbers 3 and 6, well, we can take 3 out, that's easy enough. But look at the letters. We've got y squared, that means y times y, and we've got a y here. So there's a y in here and y in there, so we can take y out. Next step, 3y multiplied by something must give me 3y squared, and that's y. 3y times y gives me 3y squared. Next bit, 3y multiplied by something must give me minus 6y. That's minus 2. Put the bracket in here. And nearly there. Final answer, 3y bracket y minus 2. Remember, you don't put the brackets in, it's wrong, no marks. But it's quite simple, yeah, quite straightforward. And this is easy grid method. We'll go into harder expressions later on in the other videos. Doesn't have to be 2 terms, it can be as many terms as you like. Here's one with 3 terms in it. 2z squared plus 4z plus 6. So there's 3 terms. Can we put that into a product? Well, sometimes we can, sometimes we can't, just depending on what you've got. So as I said before, not everything factorises, only certain things factorise. So let's see if this factorises. Well, we've got Z's in here, we've got Z there. We don't have a Z there, so we can't take Z out because that's not common to each. It has to be common to each part. So let's look at numbers. 2, 4, 6. We can take 2 out. Highest common factor is 2. 2 multiplied by something must give me 2z squared. That's z squared. 2 multiplied by something must give me 4z. That will be 2z. And 2 times something must give me 6. That's 3. Put my bracket in, so don't forget your bracket. So we've changed this into a product of 2 multiplied by this bracket, which has 3 terms in it. And there we go. Okay, that's basically it. That's us finished. So factorising, there's actually 3 different types. You can get this method, or sorry, this type, which is taking out a common factor. The next one you're going to meet is the difference of 2 squares. That will be the next video. And then the last type is the trinomials. Again, we'll use a grid method for trinomials as well. So the good thing is that we've used the grid method here. It works for trinomials as well. The difference of 2 squares is very, very simple. And that's for next video. Okay, thank you. If you want any practice on this, go to mathsrevision.com, National 5, look for factorisation. You'll find plenty of practice in there, and online practice, and slides and things like that, if you prefer a wee PowerPoint. Okay, that's us.